Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we'll show you what to do if your Acer laptop Wi-Fi is not working or if the Wi-Fi is not showing at all. So to fix this, first head to the search menu and then type in services. Now select the first result that appears. In the services window, you'll need to scroll down and find the WLAN auto config service. Now double click it. Now here make sure that the startup type is set to automatic. Additionally, make sure that the service is running. If it's not running, click the start button to run it. Now click on apply followed by OK. Now right click on the start icon and then select device manager from the list. In the device manager window, you'll need to expand network adapters. Now here locate the Wi-Fi driver. So it should say wireless LAN card or Wi-Fi 6 or something like that. Simply right click on it and then select uninstall device. Now tick this particular checkbox and then click on uninstall again. Once you have done that, simply go ahead and restart your Acer laptop and your issue should be resolved. If you still experience problems, go to the search menu and then type in command prompt. Now select run as administrator. Now in the command prompt window, you will need to run the command shown on the screen. I'll also leave them in the description so you can copy them from there. Once you have run all these commands one by one, simply restart your Acer laptop and your issue should be resolved. If nothing else works, your last option is to perform a hard reset. For this, you will need to shut down your Acer laptop and unplug everything including the charger and all the other USB accessories. Once you have done that, simply press and hold the power button on your Acer laptop for 30 to 40 seconds. After that, simply turn on your Acer laptop and your issue should be resolved. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.